I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tesla Model 3 door panel. First, gather your tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool set to prevent scratches. A small socket wrench, usually a 10mm, will also be necessary for a few bolts. Prepare a clean, soft area to safely rest the door panel once it is detached. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free process. Next, begin by carefully prying off the window switch panel. Use your plastic trim tool to avoid any damage to the surrounding surfaces. Once the switch panel is removed, you will find two 10mm bolts underneath. Unscrew these bolts and keep them safe. Then, gently unclip the small trim piece located near the door handle. This piece usually just pops out with a little leverage. Now, with the bolts and small trim pieces removed, you can start detaching the main door panel. Begin at the bottom edge, using your trim tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame. You will hear the plastic clips release as you work your way around the entire perimeter. Once all clips are free, lift the entire panel straight upwards to disengage it from the window channel. Finally, with the panel loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. Also, unhook the door handle cable. Now you can fully remove the panel and set it aside. Reassembly is simply the reverse process. Ensure all clips align and engage properly, and don't forget the two 10mm bolts. For other great deals and the link to those amazing socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.